Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot. Forex is always goes straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday, and actually today I'm a bit late, but you know what? The market actually did not seriously move since we had that greater sell. So I just want to make this video very quick, very quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go straight to the chart. I'm just going to go straight to the chart. So what do we see here? We are on German 40. So what's really happening is actually the market is still on that downtrend. We can see that the market is still dropping, but down here we don't really find a nice support area. Then I just found out that maybe I can draw something like this because it seems like they all make sense. But remember, on a downtrend we don't really focus on this area. What we're going to focus on is this resistance, because the market will respect that very nicely, you see. So at the moment we're just waiting for the market to create that structure. Plus it's Monday, we don't really have to fight the market. So let's change that and see something maybe on an hour. You can see that even on an hour on an hour time frame, I still see similar moves. So since we had some sort of rejections around this area, that shows that, you know what, stay out of the market. I'm still creating something for you. Wait for the market to create that structure before you even jump in. So, you see. So let's move to the next one, which is it's gold. Whoa, this thing really sold. So what's really happening on gold is, if you still remember, the market was pushing up, we had a breakout, then after that we have this sort of ranging market, and from this ranging market, if you still remember, I said when the market is creating something like this, mostly the market will shoot up or shoot down. And guess what? The market is shooting lower. You see that the market just shot lower, and it seems like, you know what, I tried to identify this area as a sort of a support or something like that. You see this area, and it seems like the market just moved away from that. The market just broke out of that. Actually, it means that yes, we are on a downtrend, but we don't have a perfect structure that we can say maybe we can have some entries, or maybe where we can say we see a resistance or a support. So it means the market is still on its early stage on this downtrend, even if these moves are very strong. But what we can do is, let's wait for the market to create something, then we can say, oh, maybe this is a resistance, maybe this is a support, something like that. So at the moment we don't really have to jump. Plus it's Monday. Yes, it's Monday. And please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Quite similar thing here. It's happening on USOIL. We are on an hour time frame. So what's really happening is, we can see the market was consolidation, nice breakout, no retest and stuff like that. But here we expect maybe the market to come back around, let's say, on a 4-hour time frame. I think maybe this area might be our support area. Do you see that? I think maybe this area might create something like a support. But at the moment, since the market did not create anything as a structure that we can jump in, don't jump on the market. Sometimes it's best to ignore this type of moves. Fear of missing out is not going to help you. Relax, wait. Tomorrow is still another day. Actually, today we're not supposed to even trade. We're just supposed to watch the market, the behavior of the market, and learn something. Then later on, or maybe even tomorrow, it's where we can say, okay, the market already created this type of structure. Then it's where we can make money. Remember, people who make money don't really trade much. People who make money, they don't really trade. They don't take 10 signals per day, you see. They don't really take so many signals. So now we moved. Okay, for those who don't know, we actually did have some very nice trades last week on USOIL. On US30. So now remember, I identified this area as, okay, just because this is our support area, let's draw that. And guess what? The market just broke out of that. So this give us some very nice opportunities, because that is an area, and we can see that the market, it seems like it was struggling from that. So it's possible that the market might, yeah, you see what I'm talking about. It's possible that the market actually created a sort of a retest, but now the market is ranging. If you can check this area, the market just created so many candlesticks there. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a support area there. If that is broken, then we're going to sell. Why? Because we are on a sell trend. The market has been selling. So I think the market might still continue with that. I think next week there's going to be like some Fed interest rates, and that can still push the market to the lower side. So at the moment, I'm thinking that this thing is going to create something like this. Let me show you. I think this should be like this. You can see this, guys. You can see this. I think this created something like that. Even on top, we see something like this. So if we draw nicely there, you will see that, okay, the market just created something like this. So what are we going to do actually? This one we can take, obviously, we can say, okay, below that we can have, when the market breaks out of that, we can have some nice entry. Why will we want to fight the market when we know that we are profitable? No, we just wait and wait for those opportunities, because the reason that we are profitable today is because we are able to wait for opportunities. We don't just jump on the market, you see. So we can have something like this. When we see that breakout, we can just place our pending order should be ready. It doesn't matter because already it's a downtrend, so we can just say let's wait for the candlestick to close. No, let's just wait for the market to move below that area, then we can enter. That's why that's because we are on that downtrend already. This is not a new breakout like maybe the time when the market was pushing up. Already it was on a downtrend. I hope you understand that yes, there is a possibility that maybe the market might bounce back, but we will have to wait and see what's really happening on the market. The market has to show us the structure before we say, you know what, we need to act. At the moment, I don't think maybe we need to act. Well, let's wait for the market. Yes, we can see that might be a very nice sell-off, but the way the market created this type of a sell-off, there is an opportunity or a room for a small or even a big spike going back again or with a bullish momentum before coming back again. So be careful with that. It doesn't mean that just because the market was going down, it means it will just go there every day. It's similar to here. You see here we had a very big spikes. Then you can see this type of aggressive moves. Then after on, the market came back again. So that might also happen there. The market might push up before going down. So be careful when you want to take trades like that. So let's push to NASDAQ and see what's really happening. I hope you watched my previous video. If actually you watched yesterday's video, today you're not going to be surprised, you see. So on NASDAQ, we can see that, oh, the market already is on this nice downtrend now. But the market has been here. So let's go there and see what's really happening. We can see that down here we have an area that we can say, oh, if the market reaches this area, we might say maybe the market is reaching our support area. So since early in the morning, the market has been playing around that area. You can see that the market doesn't have that strength. So we need to wait for the market to open. We trade with money, so we have to respect our accounts, and let's wait for the market to open and see. But what I'm expecting is maybe the market might sell off, reach this area, and then we might see some aggressive move pushing up. There is that chance that the market might still sell off before pushing up. Yes, there's still another room for the market not to reach this area. The market might bounce here and start to push up. So on this one, we need to be extra careful, because the market might act like this area here. Do you see that area? The market bounced back. When you think maybe the market was about to reach this area, the market did not reach there. And guess what? The market pushed up, but the second one came back and reached that area. We see. But at the moment, let's expect the market to push a little bit lower before we see something going up. I don't think maybe there's much that I can tell you. Already we late. Don't forget that we're still gonna go on live session. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. If you want to talk to me, you know what to do. There are my contacts. 150 is lifetime. It's where I'm going to teach you Forex, all the strategies that I'm using, everything, tips, tricks, whatever. and it's lifetime, and you also get the signals. $35 is only monthly signal. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I hope with this update, maybe you learned something, or maybe you can see something, or you can combine with whatever that I've shown you here, and maybe you can make a very nice structure with your knowledge. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.